The United Kingdom has over 200 confirmed cases of coronavirus, and that number is expected to increase over the coming days and weeks. Everywhere here you go in London, people are taking the necessary precautions to prevent themselves from contracting the virus. Face masks are being worn on public transportation, and people are flocking to the stores for hand sanitizer, wipes, and hand soap. The House of Commons held an emergency questions session with Health Secretary Matt Hancock, where members of Parliament asked what the government is doing to handle this outbreak. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson also holding a press conference to give an update on the virus. As of this time, the government is asking that everyone keep washing their hands and staying away from people who are sick. They are also screening people who are coming from coronavirus hot zones before they come into the UK, and if they are allowed in, they ask that the person do a 14-day self-quarantine. The royal family has also been affected by this virus. Prince George and Princess Charlotte's school in London had several students who were sent home due to their recent trip to Italy. Prince William and Duchess Kate's Australia tour may be cancelled, and the Queen is reported to be wearing gloves more at public engagements as a precaution. As far as U.S. study abroad programs in the U.K., there are no plans to send students home. However, emails have been sent out to students about what precautions to take and not to travel to Italy. Philadelphia's Temple, Villanova, and Arcadia Italy programs have ceased operations for this semester and have sent students home. I have heard from sources that students are not being reimbursed for travel home or their semester. There have been 29 cases confirmed so far in London. However, this is sure to increase. Reporting from London, Justin Gick, LaSalle TV News.